Welcome, learners. Today we will learn about some useful supply chain terms. Purpose: to define and explain key terms used in supply chain management. Importance: understanding these terms is essential for effective communication and decision-making. Scope: covers planning, procurement, manufacturing, logistics, and more. ABC analysis, a method for categorizing inventory based on importance, with A items being the most valuable. Safety stock, extra inventory kept to prevent stockouts due to demand variability. Stock keeping unit, SKU, a unique identifier for each distinct product in inventory. Inventory turnover, a metric showing how often inventory is sold and replaced over a period. Air freight, transportation of goods via aircraft, typically for high-value or time-sensitive shipments. Cross-docking, a logistics strategy where incoming shipments are directly transferred to outbound vehicles without long-term storage. Last-mile delivery, the final step of delivering products to the end customer. Less than truckload, LTL. Shipping, a freight method where shipments don't require a full truck. Blockchain in supply chain, a decentralized digital ledger that records supply chain transactions securely and transparently. IoT in supply chain, the use of connected devices to monitor and optimize logistics operations. Warehouse automation, the use of technology to automate tasks in a warehouse such as picking and packing. Radio frequency identification, RFID, a technology that uses radio waves to track products. Procurement, the process of acquiring goods and services from external sources. Supplier relationship management, SRM, strategies for managing interactions with suppliers. Global sourcing, the practice of sourcing goods and services from international markets. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI, a system where the supplier manages inventory levels for the buyer. Lean manufacturing, a production philosophy focused on reducing waste and improving efficiency. Just-in-time, JIT inventory, a method where goods are produced or received only as needed. Bill of materials, BOM, a list of raw materials, components, and instructions for manufacturing a product. Work in progress, WIP, inventory that is in the process of being manufactured but is not yet complete. Green supply chain, an environmentally sustainable approach to supply chain management. Carbon footprint, the total amount of greenhouse gases produced by supply chain activities. Risk mitigation, strategies to reduce the impact of supply chain disruptions. Zero waste supply chain, a sustainability initiative focused on eliminating waste in supply chain operations. Demand forecasting, the process of predicting future demand for a product based on historical data and trends. Capacity planning, the process of determining the production capacity needed to meet demand. Sales and operations planning, S&OP, aligning sales forecasts with production and inventory plans. End-to-end supply chain, the complete flow of goods from raw materials to the end customer. E-commerce logistics, the management of supply chain activities for online retail operations. Fulfillment center, a warehouse that processes and ships customer orders for e-commerce companies. Dropshipping, a fulfillment method where a retailer does not hold inventory but transfers orders to a supplier who ships directly to customers. Omnichannel fulfillment, a supply chain strategy that integrates different sales channels to provide a seamless customer experience. So learners use this glossary as a reference to improve communication and decision-making in your supply chain operations. Please write your comments for more questions and suggestion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to channel and stay tuned for supply chain content.